Greetings, beloved beings of light. Hope you're having a most beautiful, blessed day. I wanted to put out a quick update for all of you with all these intense, powerful energies coming in today. I normally aren't doing videos like this lately because of a time constraint, but I had a few extra minutes here today with all these intense energies and this massive solar flare released. We're in the final week of May. The next few days are going to be very powerful, very intense. We have the Silver Gate energy. We also have the Pleiadians coming in. So thank you to all of you that did the Pleiadian return meditation. If you haven't done that, please check that out. You can do that every day if it resonates with you. If not, just let it go. So we have this very powerful X class. Many of you saw I posted last night. This is right at midnight. We have very powerful, intense energies through this solar flare, and this is being reported coming from the same sunspot that brought us that massive solar storm on May 10th. As most of you remember, people saw auroras all over the world during this great event. So you can see this huge spike here on the spaceweatherlive.com. This was right after midnight Pacific Standard Time. It was 7:08 UTC Universal Time. X 2.9 was the max. They're saying that it could have even been bigger than this, but it was over the limb of the sun. So the full extent, the full power of this blast. Now this is going to be flooding Earth over the next few days with massive gamma plasma waves. These are mother plasma waves from the great central sun through our Solaris and into Pachamama. Be sure to let me know in the comments below if you like these videos like this. I'll try to put out more like this. I had a few extra minutes today before recording our full transmissions of the day. I've been working on that all day, preparing a lot of information coming in from our New Earth scribes, and also, through different mediums and different energies coming in. So I know many of our sensitives, our empaths, and especially our Blu-rays are feeling this one especially, because this is encoded with our Blu-ray. This is Venusian energy also coming in with this powerful X-class flare, like I said, right after midnight. So we have X 2.9, and we've just had several, 8 or 9 C-class flares. So we're going to jump over here to spaceweather.com, and we have this increasing chance now. There's the newer sunspot, 3691. It doubled in size yesterday, so it's developed a beta, gamma, delta magnetic field, which harbors energy for X-class solar flare. So we have 2 massive sunspots, and the one that came out today, the one that released today, AR 3664, that was the one that was releasing one after another X flare through May. And see, the historic May 10th superstorm was from the same sunspot. I'd spent the last 2 weeks transiting the far side of the sun. Today it announced its impending return with this 2.9. See, the flare was probably even stronger than X 28. The base of the explosion was eclipsed by the edge of the sun, so not all the X-rays it produced were counted by sensors to classify. So you can see this amazing shot of this massive X flare releasing from the edge of the sun here. There was a shortwave radio blackout over East Asia, and it hurled a massive CME, a very bright CME, into space. It's not Earth facing, so we'll only get some of that energy, but a lot of this residual energy that's flying out from the sun is going to be reaching the Earth. So we have so the return of 3664. This makes 2 sunspots capable of powerful, soon-to-be Earth-directed explosions. So these are turning towards the Earth. So in the next few days, into June. So this is preparing us for this June 666 portal. A lot of information's coming through for this powerful 66 from many different sources. So you can connect with these deeper. This is getting us deeper into these unknown energies, deeper into the subconscious, so a lot of these things that have been held within us, these old traumas, this is releasing ancestral traumas, ancestral curses, from our genealogy. Irini's talking about this lately, our genealogies are being cleansed and cleared. We came in, most of us starseeds, to transmute the genealogies. You see, all of this is held within our genetics, within our DNA. All of these codes, all these traumas were passed down from generation to generation, and, hundreds, thousands of years of, evolution and traumas have been stored. So we're doing our part, each one of us, each starseed. So you have a very important purpose here on this mission. Fred, part of it, is living from your heart, raising your consciousness, raising your frequency, raising your energy through joy, through bliss, through compassion, through kindness, all these things, through morality, your pure intent, your divine will, anchoring in the new earth. So we're just going to jump over here to Schumann resonance on disclosurenews.it. You can see it was down. These charts were down for the last 2 days, and they came back up today. I'm not sure what happened, if it was technological or, some outage, some kind of blackout here. So we had these big spikes of white light. You can see this pillar, this 2-pillar, forming this 1111 gateway code, maxing out 53 amplitude, power of 53, for this 5-3 energy. Today is 5/27/2024. So we had a trinity of explosions in the heartbeat of Gaia at 42 hertz, 48 hertz, 53 hertz. So this is fifth dimensional energy. We know that we're fully anchored in, we're rising up. We're resolving all what is left of the interference patterns. These are holographic patterns that are held over our 5D new earth, that these all need to be resolved before we fully manifest. You see 5Ds coming in, it's manifesting every day. We're having our omens, our synchronicities, our signs from the Great Spirit to each and every one of you to show that, yes, we are on the new earth, but there's still these are nefarious interference patterns that's keeping the lower density, in this realm. So we have to resolve these, the interference that's within us. Some people call it implants or negative patterns that are encoded within our cellular structure, within our DNA and within our light body. So we're releasing all these things, letting go, going through and through and through until full compression breakthrough. This is supernova expansion. We'll talk a little bit about that in today's transmissions. So hope you have a beautiful, blessed day. Thank you, each and every one of you, for your support and joining us on this journey. Namaste.